Hi everybody, welcome to Rime Time today. Today we're singing Rick and Nick.
And this is the word family or the rhyme ick. And our rhyme comes at the end of our word. Can you girls and everybody at home, can you think of some words that have the ick in them at the end? Lick.
Nick.
Nick. Kick. Chick.
Sick.
Sick. Ooh.
Thick.
Thick. It's not a word.
Trick. Lick.
Lick.
Rick.
Rick. It's a name.
Sir.
What about outside that comes off of a tree? Stick.
Mick.
All right. Sounds good. Okay, so here we go. We're going to just read. We're going to sing this song really slowly. And it's sung to the tune of Clementine, if you know that word, that song. Rick and Nick are feeling sick. Call the doctor, quick, quick, quick. Tick, tock, tick, tick. Call him quick, quick. Rick and Nick are feeling sick. Rick and Nick are feeling sick. Call the doctor, quick, quick, quick. Tick, tock, tick, tick. Call him quick, quick. Rick and Nick are feeling sick. One more time. Rick and... Hold on, ready? Here we go. Point to it. Rick and Nick are feeling sick. Call the doctor, quick, quick, quick. Tick, tock, tick, tick. Call him quick, quick. Rick and Nick are feeling sick. It's going to get faster. Here we go. Just use your finger. Rick and Nick are feeling sick. Call the doctor, quick, quick, quick. Tick, tock, tick, tick. Call him quick, quick. Rick and Nick are feeling sick. Oh my gosh, Rick and Nick are feeling sick. Call the doctor, quick, quick, quick. Tick, tock, tick, tick. Call him quick, quick. Rick and Nick are feeling sick. Oh, okay. Let's read it. We're going to sing it slow and we're going to find the ick words. Ready? Rick and Nick are feeling sick. Call the doctor, quick, quick, quick. Tick, tock, tick. Oh, I disagree with you.
Oh, wait.
Tick, tock, tick, tick. Call him quick, quick.
We already have quick.
That's okay.
I know we already have quick.
That's okay. Please underline it. It's the ick. All of them. I see another quick. She's missing it over here, isn't she? All right. Rick and Nick are feeling sick.
Call the doctor,
Quick, quick, quick. Tick, tock, tick, tick. Call him quick, quick. Rick and Nick are feeling sick. Fantastic. Okay, we are ready to do making words with the word family ick or the rhyme ick. Ick is I-C-K. So go ahead, if you've got your letters, get those out. If not, you can always use a whiteboard and a marker and eraser, and you can just write the letters at the top so you know which ones you're working with. Here are our letters: L, H, C, R, T, P, S, B, Q, U, and H, and then the I-C-K. And yes, you'll need 2 C's for making words. So go ahead and get those. And then we're going to start off by saying the sounds. Let's start with this letter. O, K. The C also can say S, like city. T, P, S, This is our vowel U, so it says its name, U, and also And then we've got another H, and then we have the ick. Here we go. The first word I want you to make is sick. I was feeling a little sick, so I stayed home from school. Sick. That's right. Bring that S down. Sick. Sick. The next word is pick. Pick. I had to pick what I wanted for breakfast. Pick. Bring that P down. Let's say it. Ick. Pick. All right, bring this letter T down and let's think about what this says. That's right, it says ick. Tick. The clock went tick-tock. All right, keep this T here. We're going to put a letter right here to make the word trick. Trick. My sister played a mean trick on me. That's right, bringing the R down. This is like tree. Let's say it. Trick. Trick. Take your T away. You're going to add one letter to make brick. Our house is made of brick. That's right, bring that B down. Remember, this B has a big belly. Let's say it. Brick. Brick. Now I want you to think of the two letters that when you put it together make one sound, and it sounds like this. Ch, ch, ch. Like chocolate. Chip. And now I want you to make chick. That's right. There's the CH. Chick. Ch. Ick. Chick. I hope you're saying that word with me. Chick. Okay, bring two letters down to make click. Click. The Legos went click as they went together. See what you did. Bring your CL down. Let's say it. Click. Click. All right, I want you to grab the Q and that U. And the QU, think about what that says. Like queen, it says ick. What's this word? Quick. I ran quick to get my things. Quick. All right, take away the Q and the U and make the word thick. You need two letters to make that thick. You've got it. It's that TH. Let's say it. Ick. Thick. And our last word today, I want you to bring down the S and the T. And think about what that says. Let's say it together. Ick. Stick. Awesome. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take all my letters off. You don't have to, but I'm going to so I can have enough space to write. And we're going to write our words down now. And the first we're going to start with is the word sick. Go ahead and write the word sick. Ick. Sick. There's that ick. The next word is pick. Ick. Pick. The next word is tick. Ick. Tick. If you can spell tick, I bet you could spell trick. You're just going to add one letter. Ick. Trick. We're going to we're going to write the word brick. I know burr and I know ick. I can make the word brick. After brick, we're going to come up to the top and I'm going to make chick. Ch, ch. That's the ch. CH. Ick. Chick. The baby chick walked around the grass. Chick. The next word is click. Ick. Click. Click can mean two things. Okay, it means you can touch something, like you click the remote controller. It also is a sound, click. The next word is quick. That Q-U says qu, and you know ick, quick. After quick, we've got two more words. Thick. Thick. The tree had a big, thick trunk. Thick. Okay, I was wrong. That was our last one. So there's our making words and our writing for today with the word family ick.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for coming to Rime Time today. Make sure to click thumbs up on that channel and have a great rest of your day. Good job learning ick today, and bye.
We hope you subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Thank you.